Hi guys, happy April. This is the monthly chapter 1 for April, the sound waves of music. The cast of the play is getting ready for opening night. They gather around to practice a few songs before the play begins. Rhett grabs his guitar. Jacinda sits down at the piano. Rhett plucks a string on the guitar to start the song. Cynthia asks, "Why does the guitar make noise?" Why do you guys think the guitar makes noise? What do you think causes the guitar to put out sound? Let's watch Rhett play that note again and see if we can tell what's happening, says Miss Biss. Rhett plays the note again. The students see the guitar string start to vibrate as they hear the note play. "The string moves," Jacinda says excitedly. "That's right, Miss Biss." So you can see it here, it vibrates. Rhett plucks the guitar string again. Sound starts as a vibration. A vibration is a fast movement that goes back and forth. The string vibrates and moves the air around the string. The sound moves through the air in a sound wave. Sound waves are full of energy, says Miss Biss. Miss Biss pulls a string toy off the props table. Juan holds one side of the spring toy. Miss Biss pushes the other side of the spring toy towards Juan. The spring toy moves closer together and then apart as the energy moves through the spring toy, says Miss Biss. This is how a sound wave moves through the air. You can feel a sound wave yourself, y'all, if you put your hand on your throat and talk. You can feel it vibrate. That's the same vibrations you would feel with a guitar string and see with a guitar string. The sound waves travel through the air until it hits your ear. It vibrates the eardrum. The nerves in your ear feel the vibration and send a message to your brain. Your brain tells you what sound you're hearing. That is how sound waves work. This is how people hear things, says Miss Biss. Let's explore some other things that make sound. Let's sing and see what happens. Let's sing and see what we feel as we sing, says Miss Biss. So, just like I said a few minutes ago, when you're talking, you can feel it in your throat. The cast sings their opening song. "I feel my throat vibrating, which causes sound when I talk or sing," says Cynthia. Darcy scratches her head and asks, "So why do I hear sounds from other rooms?" Sounds can travel through material, any material. Sound can travel through water or even solid objects like walls. The sound waves vibrate the particles in the material and move through other materials just like air. So, even if I put my hand over my mouth, you could still hear me. You might not be able to understand what I'm saying, but you can hear the sound waves from my voice. "Then why doesn't all noise sound the same when you hear it through the wall?" asks Seth. "The sound wave moves faster and farther through water or a solid object. It sounds different because the particles are closer together. When you're in another room, you are also farther away," says Miss Biss. Let's get back to practicing. All right, y'all. So you can practice with some sound waves. Go in another room and call your mom and see what she hears, or your dad, or a supervisor. You can talk underwater. If you take a shower or a bath, you can see if anybody can hear you. It's just kind of some fun ways to practice with sound waves. If you have a Slinky at home, you can pull it apart and see it move back and forth, and that would show you a good sound wave. I forgot to bring some home from the classroom, y'all, so I'm sorry. That would have been a great way to show you. Anyway, log into the modules and see what assignments you have to do for Chapter 1. Have a great day.